Bili ko to sa KKV.
Hello! Hello!
We're here na!
You're so beautiful! You're so...
Magic passport! Grabe, sobrang lamig.
Mas maganda yung ako niyo. Mas maganda yun, ba?
Yucks! Let's go! Hi guys! So today we are at the airport and we're going to Hong Kong. So today ang kasama ko is my family again, but this time kasama ko yung mga pamangkin ko. So we're now very excited. What's with that face? Mama, say hi.
Hi!
Father. Tignan nyo kung sino yung naka-sleepers. Asa isa mong paa. Pakita mo isa mong paa. Yung shoes kasi niya, nasa check-in. So, minute na lang namin siya dito sa airport. And so, hindi na siya nakapagpal. Unboxing. Wow! Hi guys! We're now flying to Hong Kong. Look who's my seatmate.
Hello! Hi!
Show them our stickers. Where's our stickers?
What is what? This one?
This one.
This is not sticker.
This is stickers. That one. That's postcard.
Oh no! Tita, why white it? Paano po tissue?
We can erase it using a tissue. Super cute nito guys. Nabili ko to sa KKV. So stickers siya na merong postcard. Like this.
Tita, help me to remove this. Tita, the best pay the tether, Tita. Best pay the tether.
Together.
Two tether, Tita. That's so cute. Hello! Hello! Tita, put you na ito. Da 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 da. Woo!
We're now in Hong Kong. Papunta kami ngayon ng immigration guys. So, nahanap lang namin. It's almost 6 PM already. Medyo dark na guys, pero yeah, hinahanap pa namin yung immigration, tapos kukunin pa namin yung bagahe namin plus yung mga strollers. And then, magpapapick up namin sa Uber. Actually, nag-book na kami ng Uber in advance. 2 Uber rides. Kasi 8 kami. So, 4 per car. So, yan. Pero parang walang katao-tao. Parang kami lang. Hi guys! So, nakarating na kami sa hotel namin. Now, dumiretso kami dito sa Welcome, parang supermarket nila. To buy some stuff, like tubig and all that. So, pinilit namin siyang puntahan bago mag-closing ngayong 10 PM. Ito yung exit. Ito guys, yung itsura nung labas na area ng hotel namin. Hindi talaga siya yung matao, walang kaingay-ingay. So nakakatuwa na dito kami nagstay ngayon. Tsaka parang ang peaceful niya. Ito na yung kanto ng hotel namin. Yan siya guys. Good morning guys! So this is our first full day here in Hong Kong. Actually yung agenda namin today, hapon pa talaga. Let's see. Pero ngayon, late lunch na kami makakalabas. And itatry namin makapag-Ngong-Ping cable car later this afternoon around sunset. And makapunta ng City Gates. Because we will try to check out kung anong meron doon before kasi hindi kami nakapasok. So, yun ang agenda today. Bali guys, nagsistay nga pala kami dito sa Hotel East Access. So, located siya sa Tsuen 1. So, from the airport, around 25 minutes away siya. Yun, so far, so good. Ang ganda ng room na kinuha namin. Isang standard room for 2 persons and another room for 4 persons. Itong room na kung nasan ako, ito yung family room nila. And let me show you anong itsura ng room and yung view. So, ito yung view namin, guys, dito sa corner bed. Really nice. Yung window na yan, guys, floor to ceiling. Ito yung other side. Super ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view kagabi. Yung first night namin. Kasi yung mga building na yan, ang daming ilaw. Super nice. That's our view. You like the view outside? Oh, nice. Hi guys, so nasa City Gates na kami ngayon and magla-lunch lang kami. So nandito kami sa Shake Shack. So ang time na ngayon is 2:20 in the afternoon. Hindi na kami makag-ngong cable car kasi parang ang priority ngayon is makapag-tingin-tingin dito sa City Gates until parang late this afternoon. Diyan yung order ko. This is my food. Burger and fries. Then, ganun din kay Aldo.
Kain, pray muna bago kumain. Wala, ayaw. Mag-grills ka na lang para matanda.
Hi, Kate.
Ang hirap maghanap ng kanin pag nasa lights. Unless sa fancy restaurant ka kakanin. May mahal na nung nakain din namin eh.
Magkano?
Kay mama $50, di ba?
Oo.
Almost 2K.
Ay, sa bagay sa akin din. 1-1.
1-1 kayo?
Ako lang, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Iba pa kay Deo.
Si Monarch hindi kumain na binili kong chicken bites kasi medyo peppery yung flavor. Ayaw din ni Empress kasi maanghang daw. Tapos yung binili din sa supermarket, kinain naman ni Empress yung roasted chicken with Thai flavor. Okay naman, masarap. Tapos may steam rice. Hindi kami nag-first kasi mahal lang. 2K, 2-1 na agad yun. Masarap, in fairness yung burger.
Yes, super sarap naman
super
talaga.
Super juicy ng burger.
Guys, umorder siya ng damit sa Shein for like 1 week before tong trip. Kaso, hindi siya na-deliver up until Friday. So, ang mga damit nila ngayon is either repeat.
Kaya naman kasi akong bumili kasi wala akong time. So, super busy sa work.
All because, para din sa mga bata, wala silang masyado pang damit. So, yeah. Let's see. Let's go. Is it nice?
What have the water, tita?
Wala. Design lang. Yes. Yucks! Let's go!
Hello, I'm here at the Hong Kong. I go to here, I go to airplane, and this is every city like that. I will go to this Disneyland Bukas. I'm so happy that I may go to Hong Kong. I will buy the dressing. There's so many people that go to Disneyland. No.
Not yet done?
Usad pa. I'm so happy that I saw so many people. Cutie baby. That I Kuya is so much happy. The Kuya is like it. That I'm so much happy. This is my brother.
Ang cute! Ganda! Baby! Ah! Are you happy with your Elsa dress?
Yeah.
Wow! Elsa dress and Kuya's shirt. Monarch! Ito guys, yung mall. Are you pagod?
Hindi.
Oh. Ilan na yung steps mo today?
17,442 steps as of now.
17,000.
Madadagdagan pa yan.
17,000.
20K siguro.
Yeah, actually, maaga-aga pa kasi. So, medyo maglalakad pa kami niyan.
ingredients. Panis. Oh. Showing the result. Gusto niya lumabas. Ano yan, Nark? Sige daw, Papa. Wala pa namang water. Hi guys, so nakabalik na kami sa room. Ngayon, lalabas lang kami ulit ko. Pupuntahan namin yung parang tipid dito na lunch. So, na-check na namin siya kanina. So, ang price niya is 43 Hong Kong dollars, 2 ulam and 1 rice. And then around $60 for 3 ulam and then 1 rice. So, papakita ko mamaya kung anong itsura niya. So, yung bilihan naman ng murang pagkain is around this area. Ayan, ito siya. Ito yung mga selection nila, guys.
Lemon chicken.
Wow! Sweet and sour. Kano yung sa inyo?
Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko ng pakuli.
30 sakto. Magkano kulang? Tapos sa akin ay isa rin akong cook eh. So, 45. Nakabili na kami, guys. Sulit naman. Ito yung dala namin. Let's go! Hi guys, nandito na kami sa hotel and ipapakita ko lang quickly kung ano yung binili ko. Yan, parehas yan chicken. Add-on, show.
Beef at saka chicken din. Honey lemon.
This is the fam.
Sarap, boy.
Sarap. It's nice. Hi guys, we're at Disneyland na. Where's Elsa? Wow, super nice. Kuya. Nice. Ito na yung entrance, guys. Magtatap muna kami. Yay! We're here na. So nice. Kuya. Kuya. Remove na. Wow. We're in Hong Disneyland. Wow. Bale, nag-avail kami guys ng early access. And ito yung pila ngayon. 9 o'clock yung start. Say hi! Hi kayo! Hi! Hi! We're here na inside. Hi guys! So, kumuha kami dito ng disability pass dito sa City Hall. Yan, kasi kasama namin si Monarch. Actually, si Monarch kasi meron siyang autism. Present lang namin yung PWD ID niya. And then, nabigyan na kami nung disability pass. So, ito siya. So, ipepresent lang ata to dun sa rides na gusto nyong sakyan. And then, sasabihan lang kayo kapag pwede na kayong, kapag tatawagin kayo kapag pwede na kayong pumasok. So, para hindi kayo nag-aantay dun sa labas ng ride. Grabe si Monarch, na-activate na siya.
Ang tagal ng in-in.
Medyo mainit lang guys. Hindi ko alam, baka lalamig rin naman mamaya. So, walk muna kami guys. Ang aim namin actually is makapunta sa World of Frozen. Yun yung prayo namin. So, let's see. Ito na. Ayos pa lang. Kabili ka? Magkano?
1,000 something. 120.
Hindi, dollars magkano?
129.
Bili tayo. Gusto ko din.
Isa na lang ata yun nandito eh.
Naka-display lang ba?
Oo.
Magic passport! Let's see kung makompleto namin, pero we will try. Ang sayo guys, ang kunti pa ng tao. Wow, this is the castle! Baby, we're in the Frozen ride. Huh? So cool?
Ito yan.
Opo.
Lock na yun. Oh, wow. Look your, look at
Wow, it's glowing.
your headband.
Your headband is glowing.
So, look at your dress. Oh.
Ay, glowing. Glowing na dark pala siya.
Wow, who is that?
Hindi ko alam. Oh, may nakagamit eh.
Cebu?
Who's in there? Where is Elsa? Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. I'm only happy.
Hold my hand, baby.
Close eyes, baby. Close eyes.
Close eyes.
Close eyes. Are you okay? Are you okay? Close eyes lang, close eyes. Grabe talaga. Kaya nga. Sa unahan. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Now they're only ouchie.
Are you ouchie? Bakit ouchie? Okay ka na ba? Galing di Empress eh.
Yeah. Good job, baby.
Good job. Ay, sino yun? Out of sa harap. Sino yan?
Make sure to say hello to everyone, okay?
So pretty.
Na, hey, na. I don't think Elsa heard us. Let's try it again, even louder. One more time, Dice Cindy. I think it's working. Look, everyone. I think it's working. Okay.
Who's that, baby?
This is
Hi, Ola. Anna, so you're here. Oh, I've missed you so. Oh. Wow, this is amazing.
You're so beautiful.
You're so beautiful. Well, perhaps it's even the color of the spirit that draws you.
Good job, baby.
Wow, this was my magic.
What?
Thank you, everyone.
Nahit yung record. Kainis. Ang cute.
Pang Christmas siya.
Hi!
So, big first.
Yeah, sure. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! So nakapagpa-picture ako kay Woody. Ang tagal ko nang gustong gawin yun. And third time ko na sa Disneyland pero ngayon lang nagka-chance. So tsinagaan na namin siyang pilahin kanina. And I'm so happy! Dito yung pila guys. Diyan. Kahit saan? Baby, go inside. Tingin mo na kaya. Baby, are you excited? Grabe yung hair ko. Sobrang lapot ko na. My gosh.
Ba't tayo mandang? Ayun, baby.
Love you, Tita Chia.
Love you so much, baby.
Love you too.
Love you so much.
Yeah.
Sakay kami guys dito sa Ironman.
Halo-halo na yung pawis, yung ano, dumikit na sa damit. So, diba? Ewan ko na lang talaga.
Going inside.
Ito super tagal. Super tagal.
Super tagal. Wait lang natin, wait.
This is not part of the tour. Get him on, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
You must spend it with friends and family. Family! Come on! 你嘅米奇，同我一齊施展魔法。只要有我喺身邊，每個時候 true friends always by your side. You my boy.
Hi guys, so this is day 4 and we are going back to Tongchong because sasakay kami ng Ngongping cable car. Galing kami guys ng Liking and ito yung last na station near us para makapunta ng Tongchong. Nasa city gates na kami. So, alamin namin kung saan ulit yung sakay ng bus. Ito rin yung ginawa namin last year. One way lang rin yung binili namin na cable car ticket. So, magbabas muna kami. And then, mga 45 minutes yun na ride. Bago kami makarating ng Ngongping 360. Sobrang lamig na yun guys. Kahapon sobrang init. Shucks, ang lamig. Ayun yung cable car, baby, oh. Shucks, ang lamig. Hi guys, so hindi na kami nakasakay ng bus kasi medyo pa-sunset na. So ito na siya.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Palit ang ride na to guys. Nasa 20 minutes to 25 minutes.
Dati natin.
Sige.
Pero dito sa side, tapos ang salitan.
Empress, say hi!
Bibiti lang mo.
Oh my gosh, buti na lang makatalikod ako.
Bibi!
Maybe, are you not scared?
Oh my gosh.
Kuya Monarch!
Oh my
Kuya
gosh.
Monarch, this is it!
Wow! Kuya!
Hindi nyo nakikita?
Hindi nakita yan. Gosh, ang ganda ng register sa camera. Oh. Wow.
This is my second time.
Hindi na ako takot. I'm such a brave girl. This is the moment.
Thank you, guys.
You too? Are you a brave girl? Wow. Mama, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Umatras ang luha.
Taas pa rin.
Mas maganda yung okay na yun. Mas maganda yun.
Wow.
Yeah, airport.
Hindi nyo pa ano na...
Monarch.
Hindi ba kayo ganito sa Vietnam?
Hindi, doon hindi ganito kataas. Sobrang taas nito. Sobrang taas natin. Parang aeroplano na to. Nakababa na kami ng cable car. Ito yung picture namin kanina.
Kunin natin isa. Kunin natin isa, babe.
Oh, sige.
Ito, this one? This one. Yeah.
Magkano pag combine?
Ayun nga, mas mura magiging libre yung discount.
Parang walang offer sa atin ng Globe last time or hindi tayo interesado. Fit check. Super flowy dress. Grabe. Ang ginaw. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sobrang lamig ng hangin. Grabe. Si Mama. Tagay sa mga resto dito. May Subway din pala. Bagay, 5 o'clock na rin kasi. Hanggang 6 p.m. lang pala yung last trip ng cable car. So we have to get back before 6 p.m. Baby, how's the cable car ride? It's so fun. Saktuhan na yung dami ng tao. Tolerable. We're here now, guys. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Time check, it's 5:25 na. To be honest, hindi namin sure kung mag-cable car ba kami pababa or magbabus. So, inaalam namin yung biyahe ng bus. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Sobrang konti ng tao. Parang ngayon lang kami inabot dito ng paggabi na. So, yan. Depende. Bahala na kung anong magiging ruta namin pabalik ng hotel. Or so far, this is how it looks like. Sobrang ginaw. Yan yung Buddha, guys. Hindi na kami umakyat kasi late na kami. Tsaka magsasara na rin. Sinasara na nila yung gate kanina. Nandito na kami sa bus terminus. So, hindi na kami nakapag-cable car pabalik. So, magbabus kami. And I think ang payment dito, payment method, pwedeng cash and pwedeng octopus card. Sobrang lamig. Ano oras na ba ngayon? Parang alas 6 na ng gabi. And ang parang last trip nito is 7:10 p.m. And ang hinahabol namin na trip is 6:15. Ito yung labas ng Ngongping 360, guys, sa gabi. So, nasa bus na kami ngayon, guys. And ang baba namin is sa Tongchong na mismo. So, try namin na baka doon na lang makahanap ng dinner. So, tingnan natin kung alin man doon. But ang estimated na travel time nito is 45 minutes. Sana before or mga 7 p.m. makarating kami ng Tongchong Batlets. Hi guys, so meron kami ditong nakainan or kinakainan ngayon na malapit lang sa hotel namin. And actually, hindi ko sure anong pangalan ng restaurant pero walking distance lang siya. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Sa beef noodle, beef brisket, wonton, braised pork belly, another. So far, masarap naman and konti na yung tao kasi alas 8 na ng gabi. So, yeah, kain tayo. Hi guys, this is day 5 and sobrang lamig. So, parang temperature today is 12 degrees but feels like 5. Bye-bye!
Bye, ingat kayo.
So, kami lang muna ni ate magkasama today kasi pupunta kami ng Metro Plaza. So, yung Metro Plaza, across lang siya dito sa Exit D sa Kwai Fong Station.
This is really the non-direction girl.
Makatawid tayo dyan. Ayan guys, yung Metro Plaza. Itong stretch na to. Ayan guys, yung labas. So, tatawid lang ulit kami. Sobrang random ng pag-change ng weather, guys. Pagdating namin, di ba yung video ko sa Disneyland, sobrang init. Pero ngayon, ang lamig. Kailangan mo magdoble, ganong level. Kasi ang taas din, kasi dito sa bandang Chuenwan, medyo bundok siya. So, kaya malamig talaga. Time check ngayon, parang nasa 9 a.m. lang. Pero ganito siya kalamig. Sarado pa pala, guys, lahat ng store. Kasi 9 o'clock lang ngayon. Nag-open sila mostly 11 a.m. pa. Wala pa kami nabili. Lumabas na muna kami. Dito kami sa may Starbucks. And then ito yung dinaanan namin kanina. Diyan kami galing. Pabalik ng hotel. So nagtay kami sa Starbucks guys hanggang 11 na. So